Everyone wants confidence, but most people wait for it, like it's something that magically appears. Here's the truth. Confidence isn't found, it's built. It's not about being fearless, it's about moving forward even when fear whispers in your ear. So today, let's rebuild the strongest version of you, from within. Self-doubt doesn't start outside you. It begins with a single thought, I can't. And the more you repeat it, the louder it grows. Until one day, you believe it. But remember, you learn to doubt yourself, and anything learned can be unlearned. And if you're ready to unlearn fear and rebuild confidence, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and grow with us. To build confidence, you must change the conversation inside your mind. Start small. Every time your brain says, I can't, whisper back, I'll try. Every time you fail, say, I learned. Every time you're scared, remind yourself, courage means feeling fear and acting anyway. Because confidence doesn't come from perfection, it comes from progress. Stop waiting for confidence before taking action. Action creates confidence. Do the thing that scares you again and again until it no longer does. Speak even when your voice shakes. Show up even when you're unsure. Every step forward rewires your brain to believe, I can, and that belief becomes your superpower. Real confidence isn't loud. It's quiet, calm, and unshakable. It comes from knowing you faced fear and still stood tall. That's strength. That's growth. That's confidence built from within. So stop doubting yourself. Start trusting yourself. Because the world doesn't need a perfect version of you. It needs the real, confident you. Keep growing. Keep shining. And remember, you've got this.